Okay, there is one more problem here. A body is thrown up with a velocity of 29.23 meter per second. Distance travel in the last second of upward motion is. Okay, let us see here. Solution for this one is, so actually the body is projected vertical upwards. Upward means this is the point. Okay, now initial velocity they given to 29.23 meter per second. So what is the distance covered in last second of its journey? Last second of its journey. Last second means final velocity 0 before that. After that. So this is the last second. So here last second in case of vertical projected body. At this time, what is the distance covered? So there is one small logic here. The distance covered by the vertical projected body in last second is equal to distance covered by the freely falling body in first second. So based on that condition we are going to calculate this one. So here distance covered by the projected body in last second is equals to distance traveled by the freely falling body in first second. That means in case of freely falling body here, freely falling body in the first second is u is equals to, here u is equals to 0, so t is equals to 1 second. So now we need to find out distance here. Distance is equals to ut plus half at square. In case of freely falling body, initial velocity is equals to 0. In case of freely falling body, initial velocity is 0 into 1 plus 1 by 2. G is we are going to consider here, G is equals to either 9.8 or 10. So based on the answer we are going to consider 9.8. So because here 9.8 into 1 square. So now 2 ones 2 4.9s. So now S is equals to 0 plus 4.9. That is nothing but S is equals to 4.9 meters. This is the distance covered by the vertically projected body in last second. That must be equal to distance traveled by the body in first second in freely falling body. So if you want to find out the distance for last second, here we are going to calculate final velocity, and at this point and this is difficult, that's why there is a condition. Distance covered in vertical projected body in last second must be equal to distance traveled by the freely falling body in first second. This is the condition. So by using freely falling body we are calculating distance. This distance is equals to distance traveled by the last second in vertical projected body. Thank you.